Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. This is a cylindrical lock set. I believe that many of you have this kind of lock set installed at your home. Over the time, the lock may become slightly faulty and you might consider changing or replacing it with a new one. But before you do so, why don't we have a look at the basic fundamental of a cylindrical lock set. Basically, cylindrical lock sets can be divided into several types depending on its function. For example, for entrance, privacy, passage, storeroom, and many others. This is a classic example of an entrance lock set. This is the inside knob with a button, outside knob with a keyhole. The standard lock set usually comes with the following accessories: 3 pieces of keys. This is a door strike, installation tool or installation key. This is a rebated set with measurement of 60 mm and suitable for door thickness of 32 to 47 mm. The black color box is a strike box, and here are some screws and bolts. I'm gonna show you a simple trick on how to remove the inside door knob. Get your installation key. Can you see the little hole here? Press it hard and move the knob upwards. Here you have it. To install it back, move it downward, align with the little hole, and press it down. I'm very sure that nobody teaches you this hack. Do you know that you can actually change the functions of an entrance lock set into a privacy? Let me show you. This is an entrance lock set, and this is the inside knob. Press the button and hold it and turn it in a clockwise direction and release it. Now, can you spot the difference? The doorknob inside has always been locked, and you can only open the lock set using a key from outside. Now to switch it back, press and hold the button again and rotate it in an anti-clockwise direction and release it. This time, turn the inside knob again. See? Here is another example of a privacy entrance lock set. This is the inside knob. Button here. Press to lock and turn the knob to release or to unlock. And for this side, the outside knob, here is the emergency slot. This type of privacy lock set is commonly used in laboratories or toilets. I'm going to show you how to unlock a privacy lock set. Remember the emergency slot here? All you need is a 10-cent coin. That's it. As simple as ABC. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you enjoy my little sharing on cylindrical lock set. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye!